Hello everyone, hope you are all doing well. I am Vidyashri. I am before you to present a beautiful trick on zero order reactions. Remember that this trick can be applied only for zero order reaction. Consider the question. If a zero order reaction is 20% completed in 5 minutes, then calculate the time taken for 60% completion of the reaction. So the trick that I'll be teaching you can be applied to the questions of the type that is displayed on the screen. Let us solve this question by traditional method and then I'll let you know how you can solve this particular question with the help of trick. In this question, they have given us that zero order reaction is 20% completed in 5 minutes and they have asked us to calculate time required for 60% completion of the reaction. So since they have given percentage of concentration of reactant, I'll consider the initial concentration of reactant R naught as 100. They have told that 20% of reaction is completed in 5 minutes. 20% reaction completed, it means 80% of the reactants are remaining. So at RT is equal to 5 minutes. When time is 5 minutes, at that time concentration of reactant is 100 minus 20. So that is equal to 80. Using this data that is provided, we can calculate rate constant for this zero order reaction. So we have the formula K is equal to R naught minus R divided by time. Difference in initial concentration as well as concentration at a particular time divided by the time taken. So we have 100 minus 80 divided by 5. That's equal to 20 divided by 5, which is equal to 4. And the unit is, it is change in concentration. So it's mole per liter divided by time. So mole per liter per second. Now we have calculated rate constant for this particular reaction and we are asked to time required for completion of 60% of the reaction. So now I have R naught, that is 100. They are asking time for 60% completion. 60% completion means the value of R at a time T is what we have to calculate. So I'll just write it as RT. So at that time concentration is 100 minus 60. So which is equal to 40. Again using the same formula, I can calculate time. So now T is equal to R naught minus RT, concentration of reactant at time interval T, divided by rate constant K. So here R naught is 100, RT is now 40, divided by K is 4 moles per liter per second. So it is 60 divided by 4. Simplifying this, we get 15 minutes. So since time is given in terms of minutes, sorry, here the unit should be minute inverse. Unit of rate constant is mole per liter per minute inverse and the unit of time is 15 minutes. So this is how you can answer this question traditionally. Now instead if this question is asked for multiple choice, that you need to save your time, you have to quickly answer this question. So the trick here to solve this particular question is, you can make use of a formula that we have T x percent divided by T y percent is equal to x divided by y. Here this T x percent is the time in which X% of the reaction is complete. Time in which X% of the reaction is completed. Similarly, Ty% is the time in which Y% of the reaction is completed. So now let us apply this formula to the question that we just now solved. So they have given us time taken for 20% completion is 5 minutes and time required for 60% completion of the reaction is what we have to calculate. So this 20% I can consider it as X. So the time corresponding to that is Tx%. 60% I'll consider it as Y and Ty% is what we have to calculate. The formula is just a cross multiplication thing. Okay, so we can solve it now. Substituting into the formula, Tx%, that is 5 minutes, divided by Ty% is what we have to calculate. That is equal to X divided by Y. X is 20, Y is 60. Simplifying this, we have 1 by 3 on the right hand side, 5 by Ty%. Just rearranging this, I can write Ty% is equal to 5 into 3 and that is equal to 15 and unit is minutes. So this is how very easily and quickly you can solve this particular question just by remembering the formula, or you can just cross multiply. 20% of the reaction is completed in 5 minutes. Time for completion of 60% is how much? Formula is Tx% divided by Ty% is equal to X by Y. Easy, isn't it? Let's consider one more question. The question is, if a zero order reaction is 20% completed in 20 minutes, then calculate time taken for 80% completion of the reaction. So here T20% is 20 minutes, X is 20, similarly Y is 80, T 80% is how much is what we have to calculate. So write the formula, we have Tx% divided by Ty%, that is equal to X divided by Y. Substituting all the values into this formula, I can write 20 minutes divided by Ty% is what we have to calculate, that is equal to X by Y. X is 20, Y is 80. Simplifying and rearranging, I can write Ty% is equal to 20 minutes into 4, that is equal to 80 minutes. And this is the answer for our question. Time taken for 80% completion of the given zero order reaction is 80 minutes. If you are not able to recall this formula also, you just need not worry. You can just write time taken for 20% completion is 20 minutes. Okay. Then they are asking for 80% completion. How much time is required? Just you need to cross multiply. So we have 80 into 20 divided by 20. So this gives us time that is required. So 20 and 20 gets cancelled. We are left with 80 and the unit is minute. Just as simple as that. Remember, this can be applied only for zero order reaction. I hope you will find this trick on zero order reaction very useful. I'll meet you in my next video with another trick. Thank you for watching. Stay connected. Keep learning. Take care. Bye-bye.